Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I got something cool and exciting for myself and for a lot of viewers because this is something new. This is the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 6K. In this video I'm just gonna dive into the box. We're not gonna go over the details, we're just gonna dive into the box. Because if my camera could pan to the right, there's a huge mess happening right there. And that is all going to be going to the camera right here. And I'll have a special guest, so stay tuned for the next video. But for now, let's get started. So now, right here I have the pamphlet with the DaVinci Studio Resolve 16. And I have the card here that has a code in the back and an SD card with the actual software. And right there, you guys could see it on that camera. Now we got the Blackmagic strap. We got the logo here. Pretty cool. This is the charger with a battery, guys. Now let's see what's over here. Right here, oh, that's really cool. They gave us universal plugs, so that's why I was wondering, what is that? So it comes with a universal plug, so if you're in Europe, Asia, you're good to go. You don't need specific adapters for this camera. There it is, guys. The Blackmagic 6K. Let's see. Man, it actually feels a little bit bigger in my hand than I expected it to be. I am not gonna go over the details of where everything goes and where the buttons are and how it works. I'm just doing an unboxing so you guys know what is inside the box. So let's go over again. We got the camera. We got the universal adapters. We got the power supply. The LPE6 battery, the DaVinci Resolve 16 Studio software, a strap, and a welcoming pamphlet. So thank you guys for tuning in to the short, quick video of unboxing. Now subscribe and like because you don't want to miss what's coming up next. We're going to build a whole rig for this camera, so you could take this camera on a professional shoot. This rig got everything from a battery backup that's going to keep your Blackmagic Pocket charged for a whole day, to how to mount the SSD drive, to the field monitor I'm going to use. And there's a special guest that some of you might know and some of you might not. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time.